To find a missing end time, we need to know the start time and the elapsed time. So I put down my start time, my end time, and my elapsed time. And I read the problem to figure out what parts I have. Janet spent 43 minutes listening to music on her MP3 player. That would be the elapsed time, because we can't mark just 43 minutes on a clock. That's how much time has passed. That's how much time she spent listening to the music. And then it says if she started at 11:33 a.m., what time was it when she finished? So it says right there she started at that time, so 11:33 a.m. So to figure this out, to figure out what our ending time is, we make our clock, 12, 3, 6, 9, put in my corners, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 11. And now at this point, I'm going to mark down my start time minutes, which is 33. So it falls between the 6 and the 7. So 6 is 30. And I put 4 tallies there in between my 2 big tallies. So there's 30, there's 35, 31, 32, and 33. So right there is my start time minutes. Now I need to add on my elapsed time. I need to add that on to my start time. So when I add it on, I need to travel around clockwise. So let's do that. So adding 43 minutes on, 1, 2. So I started out with 43. I already did 2. I'm going to subtract that off. So I need to do 41 more minutes at this point. So I'm going to count by 5s now. So 41 more minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and I'm going to do one more small minute. One more small minute, and that's going to be my end time. So I needed to go 41 minutes. Now, the last step is I start at my start time, and I figure out what my end time is by counting right along. So 11:33, counted by 1 minute here in between my 2 big tallies. 11:33, 11:34, 11:35, 11:40, 11:45, 11:50, 11:55, 12 o'clock, which is noon, 12:05, 12:10, 12:15, and 1 more minute, 12:16. And this is going to be PM because I crossed noon. Anytime I cross a 12 o'clock, whether it's noon or midnight, I'm going to change my AM to PM or PM to AM. So once again, to figure out our end time, we mark down our start time minutes, and we add our elapsed time minutes onto it, and then we go back and we count to figure out our final ending time.